Hey guys, I'm Beck from Twice Blessed and welcome to my home. So guys, this is our house. It's tiny but beautiful. It's my husband's and my property. We bought it a couple of years ago before we got married, and we've done a full renovation from ground up. We opened this whole area up and created a lot more natural light with double doors. Just makes it a lot more inviting and warm. What we love the most about the whole house though is the use of black. We are both sort of industrial kind of people, so we wanted a lot of black and warm accents. So we chose a really beautiful warm bench top. And then accompanying that, we chose beautiful brass tapware from Reese because it's super warm and chic. I love wearing a lot of gold in my accessories and hardware. So for me, it was just a natural extension, and my husband had no choice really because I love it. So for us, it was super important to have, I guess, a cohesive theme throughout the whole house because it isn't massive. We wanted to make sure that all the touch points sort of married together and made sense. All right guys, now come with me. I'll show you my favorite space in the house. Okay guys, so this is our bathroom. It's really the MVP of the entire house. It's super cool. I just love every touch point of the bathroom. I think we wanted to make sure, because it is small and we have a Euro laundry in here as well, we wanted to make sure it packed a punch in terms of the design, the way it looks, the way it makes you feel. Every time people come into this house, they're like, wow, the tiles are so beautiful, and wow, look at your sink. So in terms of, I guess, our fixtures and fittings, like I said earlier, we wanted to make sure that everything flowed from the front of the house to the back of the house. Everything made sense. And obviously it made sense for us to do the same thing with our sink and our tapware. So one of the great features of this basin is that it's solid steel. So it's super durable. You can bang and clang against it and nothing's gonna happen to it. We're not the most gentle when it comes to like doing our stuff in the bathroom, but it's super durable. I haven't had any issues. And also it just looks beautiful all the time. For me, the non-negotiable was having a dual shower head. My husband was like, why did you need a dual shower head? But for me, I never wash my hair in every shower, so I needed to have something that was easy to use. And he never understood that until now. He's like, oh yeah, you use it every time you have a shower. And for me, it made perfect sense, but for him being a guy, he's like, I'll get under the rain head, it's all good for me. I like to have my hair up, wash my body, and good to go. It was so important for us to have a mood board because that was our sounding board for the whole renovation. If we had concerns about aesthetics or how things would look, that would be our go-to. Like, this is what our mood board says, this is what we're doing. So working with Reese was honestly the most seamless experience. The whole reno process was quite stressful, but I know every time I went into Reese, I was like, oh, so relaxed. Adelaide at the Richmond store was incredible. She helped us from top to bottom. She was like, Beck, I got it, don't even stress. I was overseas when this happened as well, and she was just incredible. Can't speak highly of the experience. My husband was like, this is so easy. Things were delivered to our house. Our plumber was like, good to go.